Since pre-industrial times, the average global temperature increased by nearly 1 degree Celsius. The Earth is warmer than it has ever been. Most of the world has pledged to reduce greenhouse gas emissions, limiting global warming to 1.5 degrees or less, to prevent the catastrophic impacts from climate change.
Nowadays, climate conditions like heat waves, droughts or floods call every person, every company and every country to take action. If no actions are taken, we will reach 1.5 degrees before 2035. Everyone must contribute to meet the global target.
Corbion has committed to reduce its greenhouse gas emissions in line with the latest climate science. Our targets are approved by the Science Based Targets Initiative, an organization that shows companies how much and how fast they need to reduce their emissions.
The target we set in 2019 aimed for a reduction of 33% per ton of product by 2030 from a base year of 2016. And until last year, we reduced our emissions by 27%, getting very close to this target. We achieved this reduction by using renewable electricity in 10 out of 12 sites, reducing empty trucks on the roads in Brazil, placing a more efficient boiler in our site in the Netherlands, using RSPO-certified palm oil to reduce CO2 emissions related to palm oil production, and valorizing 98% of byproducts in our lactic acid plants. So, what does it mean and how does it work in practice? We are on track to achieve our 2030 reduction target. Yet, recent insights tell us we need to do more. So we decided to boost our target ambition, and last November we got our new 2030 target approved. The SBTi's target validation team has assessed Corbion's Scope 1 and 2 target ambition and has determined that it is in line with the 1.5 degrees trajectory. By 2030, we will reduce our absolute greenhouse gas emissions related to energy, such as electricity, steam and natural gas, by 38% from a 2021 base year. We will also reduce emissions related to our supply chain, such as key raw materials, transport and waste, by 24% per ton of product.
We are going to reduce our emissions related to energy by using renewable electricity in all sites, increasing the energy efficiency of our production processes, electrifying some of our equipment, by digitalization and using alternative fuels. In our facility in Blair, for example, we are implementing an alternative energy recovering process as part of the expansion project, making it possible to reuse energy more efficiently. By installing this much more efficient equipment, the capacity expansion will come with no increase in the site's energy-related CO2 emissions.
And to reduce the emissions in our supply chain, we collaborate with our suppliers to accelerate the use of renewable electricity, the reduction of the use of fossil fuels, regenerative agriculture, carbon capture and storage, optimization of distance and transport mode.
Yes, we are on the right track, but there's still a lot to do. Therefore, we take urgent action to fight the impacts of climate change and to show that it is possible to create a positive impact on people and the planet. Because at Corbion, we preserve what matters.